Aloha guys, and welcome back to another Ohana vlog. We're going to be answering a really important question for you guys that are Husky owners out there, because everybody wants to know, how do robot vacuums work with Huskies? So that's what we're answering for you today, and I'll give you guys a review on what we have as a robot vacuum. It works amazing. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. You'll find out all about it. And if you want to see more of these guys, make sure you subscribe and aloha! Alright, so here's the deal. We looked on Amazon when we first decided we want a robot vacuum to help kind of get rid of some of the husky hair. And we looked at a lot of reviews. If you guys look on Amazon, you'll see there's kind of like 2 or 3 robot vacuums that have some of the best reviews. And this one right here, the Roborock S50, also known as, is one of the best reviewed robot vacuums on the market right now. I'll kind of explain why, but just to let you guys know, it is kind of on the more expensive end, but we were able to get it through Mercari, which is kind of like an eBay app. So if you're interested in those details, I'll put that in the comments below. But I'd also just want to let you guys know to do your own research, because sometimes you might not need a $300 or $400 robot vacuum. You might just need a $100 one, because maybe your dogs are not Huskies. Roborock S50, definitely one of the more popular brands. It's a little more on the expensive end, but it's totally worth it, guys. I'll show you some of the reviews that I read that kind of convinced me to try it. And with Huskies, you gotta get something that's a little more powerful. So how does it work? It works great. Here's the power button. You've got a spot cleaning button, a charging button, and by charging it, it'll go back to the charging port. So this model of Roborock we absolutely love. No complaints so far. It's got a great ability to pick up hair, dust, dirt, anything that might be on the ground. I would definitely recommend the Roborock S50. You guys can see, Roborock is done cleaning the room. Let's see what we got inside. Oh my god. Yeah, that's full of husky hair, so definitely did its job. So overall, how did it work with the Huskies, guys? I mean, you guys saw it for yourselves. It obviously filled up the entire canister within just a few minutes, and I would definitely suggest the Roborock S50, and so would they. So if you guys are seeing lots of tumbleweeds like that, I would totally suggest investing in something like a Roborock. We personally didn't really feel like it was necessary to invest in a $100 vacuum because we were afraid that these guys would just be too hairy. But as you can see, the Roborock S50, aka R2D2, is doing great.